Hey guys, like I said, I'm on Battle Cats now. So first off, I'm just gonna play the challenge because why not? Yes, I have face cam. It's using the new YouTube gaming app. It's not necessarily I can't brain. Not necessarily new. I don't exactly know when it was made, in fact, but I'm using it because it automatically gives face cam, so it makes my other screen recorder app kind of pointless. But Facecam isn't exactly that good on phone anyways, because it's constantly moving. But, I mean, this is all I really got. Hey, cat. Oh yeah, now I can show you my cat. Cat, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Kitty, what are you doing? Don't sniff the camera. What are you doing? Cat, go fluff your belly. Anyways, that was my cat. I don't know why cat likes this room so much. Probably because I'm constantly in it. JK, he stabs me with his claws. A lot. I mean, it's just a cat thing, and it's not really that bad. You'd think it's bad. It's not. But, yeah, I rarely ever, bleed or anything like that. There was only one occasion, it wasn't even the cat's fault. It was my brother, and because he was messing with the cat and threw a, stuffed animal at him, and he freaked out and stabbed me. So. Anyways, now that I'm at max money, I was about to say Elixir. I'm playing way too much, what's it called? Clash. Back away. Actually, that's probably a mistake. I kind of forgot, what comes out. If I can just delay killing them until my thing recharges, I'll be fine. Because there's this one thing that you need like in 1,000,001 fire rate just to kill in time. Unless you have the cat cannon. Oh god, there it is. Oh no, back away. Get, ow, stop, ow, stop. I don't appreciate this. Ow. I done goofed. Hooray. Oh, and there's the Mooths. Coming to celebrate my death. How does your arm even reach that? Oh, that was a mistake and a half. Because why not? Let's try this. Because I haven't played this yet. And I'm probably gonna die. Well, this is already a pain in my butt. Stab. Oh no, they're attacking at the same time, so they're just wasting an attack. Oh, I hate when that happens. See, they're only hitting him once, but both of them are attacking, so it wastes an attack. That sucks. Oh god, what are you? Why are you? Why? Stop everything that you're, stop. Just, no. That's, just so you know, the reason he's black, not to be racist, that sounded very racist. The reason he's dark is because, he was recruited by the Assassin Bear, which was that big black bear that stabbed me 1,000,000 times over in the last level. And there's another one. Why are there two of them? Okay. Hang on. Okay. Well, it's going to be a little bit noisier in here. I'll try to get that out. Actually, no, I guess that will work. Yeah, I'll try. That's going to be kind of annoying. Anyways. I hate the assassin dog. Cat, why are you here? Why do you keep interrupting my videos? Why is it that every time I'm recording a video, you have to walk in here? What are you doing? May you please... What are... Stop, no. No dogs. I don't want any poodles ruining my time. Stop it, no. No, stop. Stop. Seriously? Death poodle. Die. Dadgummit. This is your fault, Cat. You attracted the poodles. Stop. What are you doing, Cat? I'm in the middle of recording a video. Oh yeah, and the trick is if you do this enough, and keep going like this, then you'll get a special cat. I believe it's special, might be rare. Should be towards the end. Yeah, it's right here. It runs quite fast, and in early game it's really good. Sadly, I did not know about it until really just incredibly, insanely late game. So it's kind of pointless to me. This right here is actually a reference to one of the game creators, Ponos. Ponos' other games. Can you stop what you're doing right now, Cat? I'm recording a video. Four hours left. I'm just gonna go. Just so you can get a. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not, because reasons and the fact that I don't have enough energy. I'm not wasting 30 cat food, especially since I don't even have 30 cat food. Derp. You know what? I'm gonna see if I have enough energy to play. Yeah, I do. Okay. Oh. I kind of forgot what came out on this level. First off, just to get him away from my base, I'll do that. I know the penguin's probably going to kill him soon. Should give me just enough time to save up for this, though. Yep. Actually, just for the moment, I'm going to move face cam up there so you can see what I'm doing. What I'm doing right now is, the reason my max money keeps going up is because I keep buying worker cat. Or upgrading worker cat. At the moment he's level 7, level 8 is max, so there. And away with you. Cat, don't do it. Oh god, cat, stop. Why? Why are you doing this, cat? Stop. I'm playing a game here. Why? Why are you doing this? I hope some of you are getting laughs out of this. Stop. Why? Stop. What are you doing? What's the purpose of this? Don't sit down on the phone. Ah! Yeah, I can't. Cat, stop. I'm doing something here. Okay. So I'm actually going to save my cat cannon tactically till the next time he's about to attack. Just so that way, when he does attack, he does... Oh, wait. I tapped, like, right above the fire button, screwing me over. That was my fault. That was my bad. That I dumbed. But stop. No attacking. Of course, he gets right back into the attack, but it delays the attack. Is he dead? Yes, he's dead. Go all in, rush. Do as much damage as you can. Because I have no idea how long I have until another one spawns. Even though I've played this, I never had another one spawn on me. And I don't know if there is another one. So, I'm going to just try to deal as much damage as I can. Just in case another one spawns. And, well, that was at 200,000 health a second ago, and look at its health just draining. That's just insane. This is pure evisceration. My game is lagging because of this. Do you see this lag? I lagged my game. Severe lag. If you're wondering what that noise in the background is, it's my turtle tank. I have a pet turtle, and that's water dripping into his thing because it's circulating water, so that way he always has, basically it lasts a little while, so that way he'll have clean water. Nothing I can do about it. If I can manage to, I guess, edit it out, I'd say I will, but I don't necessarily know how to do that. I'm pretty much starting out on YouTube. So, oh yeah, I would use these things in here, but if I save them up, I don't know, I don't know when you unlock it, but if I save them up, there's the third thing under here. Aside from use or exchange, you can exchange it for a rare cat ticket, which can get you uber rare things in here. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.